This is the CRKT Provoke Compact. This is a futuristic Karambit designed for everyday carry. Whether you're just a knife enthusiast, just curious about unique EDC gear, this innovative design is sure to catch your eye. This Karambit caught my eye in January of 2023, so I've had this knife for a little over 2 years now. Today I'll break down what makes the Provoke Compact stand out, its practical uses, and if it's worth adding to your EDC setup. Design and build quality. The Provoke Compact is a scaled down version of the original CRKT Provoke, designed by Joe Caswell. This knife uses CRKT's patented Kinematic deployment system, which allows the blade to snap out rapidly with the push of your thumb. The handle is made from aircraft grade aluminum, giving it a sturdy yet lightweight feel. The blade itself is crafted from D2 tool steel, known for its excellent edge retention and toughness. In hand, the Provoke Compact feels solid and just under 5 ounces. It's heavy enough to inspire confidence, light enough for comfortable carry. Kinematic deployment system. The standout feature here is the Kinematic deployment system. With a simple push of your thumb, the blade springs forward in a way that's both innovative and secure. After carrying this knife for the past 2 years, I realized this isn't just a cool design, it's functional. The mechanism keeps your fingers behind the blade, adding an extra layer of safety. And thanks to the integrated retention clip, it stays snug in your pocket until you need it. Practical use and EDC fit. So how does it perform in everyday carry situations? While Karambits are often associated with self-defense, luckily I haven't had to use it in that type of situation. The Provoke Compact is surprisingly versatile. Its curved blade excels at tasks like cutting rope, slicing boxes, and handling utility work. Not to mention the fidget factor is off the charts. I can spin this thing for hours. That said, this isn't a toy or your typical box cutter. It's a serious knife that can do serious work. The Karambit design may take some practice to get used to. Throwing a jab or a hook with it in your hand, that would be devastating in a self-defense scenario. But once you understand the Karambit, it's incredibly intuitive. Pros and cons. Let's break them down. Pros: innovative kinematic deployment system. Solid build quality with premium materials. Compact size for everyday carry. Great for utility. Fun fidget factor. And amazing for self-defense. Cons: this thing is expensive, so it's the higher price point compared to any other traditional EDC knives, and currently $158. The unique deployment system may take some practice. And that's really all I could think of. If you value innovation, durability, and a unique design, the Provoke Compact is hard to beat. Final thoughts and recommendation. The CRKT Provoke Compact is more than just a knife. It's a conversation starter and a serious tool for anyone looking to upgrade or update their EDC. If you're interested in picking one up, I'll have a link in the description. It's a great way to support the channel while adding an awesome top-tier knife to your setup. Now tell me, what do you think of the CRKT Provoke Compact? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.